What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at these Skullcandy Riff wireless on-ear headphones I picked up at Walmart for $39.99. Out of about 5 stars, they get 4 stars out of 10 customer reviews on Walmart's website. Some of them singing these headphones praises. If you actually remember, about a month and a half ago, I did a video on the Skullcandy Sesh, which were a pair of wireless earbuds I picked up at Best Buy for also $39.99, I believe. Some of the best sounding wireless earbuds I've listened to in 2019 and even in 2020. I haven't heard any earbuds yet in 2020 except for the Fire F1, and I am willing to say that those Skullcandy Sesh are better than them. Nonetheless, all this is to say is Skullcandy is a pretty reputable brand. They've been around for a long time. They make quality products. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Skullcandy Riff wireless on-ear headphones, 12-hour battery life, Bluetooth connection, and what's really cool is it looks like they come with some kind of rapid charge functionality. So 10 minutes equals 2 hours of playtime. Let's see what else these come with. They're lightweight, you can take them anywhere. They have a durable and foldable design. They have an active assistant, so tap twice to wake up the assistant. Built-in controls. I'm wondering if maybe there's some kind of touch panel on the side of these, or if there's just a simple volume up and down button, play, pause button on the side of the headphones. The only way we're going to be able to find out is if we do an unboxing and a first impression. So let's go ahead and get into the box here. If you actually look at the back of the box, you can see that there is some tape, so we'll go ahead and we'll lift up like so and be able to pull the contents out of the package here. Let's go ahead and pull out, flip the headphones over, and it looks like we get a really nice little package at the top for us to, what do we get in the box here? It looks like we get a user guide, which is really nice, a Skullcandy user guide, and our USB to micro USB charging cable. Okay, so you guys came here for the sound impressions as well, I suppose. So now that we've got the headphones out of the box, let's go ahead and see what they sound like. Now, right off the bat, I'm messing around with these, and for 40 bucks, I think you can probably get better build quality elsewhere, maybe for $5 or $10 more. I think you can find better quality with the MPAL H12s. Yeah, let's go ahead and maybe see what these sound like. Not too impressed with the build quality so far. They were only $40, so let's go ahead and see how they sound. So if you just hold down the play pause button, that's to power it on. Let's go ahead and bring in the handy dandy iPhone here. Hop on over to settings. We'll go into Bluetooth here. Flip this around for you guys so you can see it. Should be right at the bottom, Riff Wireless, and we'll go ahead and connect. And they are connected. So if we just scroll over to Riff Wireless, we can see that they're connected. We'll click Info. Disconnect or forget this device. We're not going to be doing either of that. Let's go ahead and see what they sound like. Okay, so the verdict is in. Are they any good? And the answer to that is, well, they've got a pretty decent bass. The treble sounds pretty well intact. They do sound a little bit muffled, which is something that I am a little bit disappointed with. Nonetheless, they are very comfortable. And you do get a little bit of noise isolation benefits with them being on ear, and they're actually a little bit more comfortable than, say, a pair of earbuds. So if for whatever reason earbuds don't work for you and you just need a cheap pair of on-ear headphones, these are great for you. These are just going to sound a little bit better than, say, your typical standard Apple earbuds, which is a good value because the Apple earbuds retail for about 25 bucks. These retail for 40. These are a little bit more comfortable. They're louder. They sound better. They have a little bit more bass, richer bass than, say, a pair of Apple earbuds for 25 bucks. One positive aspect about these headphones is the headband seems to be of decent quality. You can pivot, you can rotate these ear cups, and you can even fold them in so that you can carry them around or put them in a bag, which is really nice. And like I was saying, those ear cups are really comfortable. And see, when you snap them back into place, it's pretty satisfying there. So anyways, guys, the Skullcandy Riff wireless on-ear headphones I picked up at Walmart are a big box good. I picked them up for $39.99. Are they any good? Just don't be blown away by that sound quality. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. The Skullcandy Riff wireless are a big box good because I picked them up at Walmart for $39.99. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, first impressions and sound impressions. I hope it helped you out in some way, shape, or form with your next purchasing decision. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.